Hello, there is an interesting alternative to console logs or any other way for you to, in order to debug your application with by printing variables and so on. And this is called log points. If you want to see something at a specific line, there is an option which is called add log point, okay, which works very much as a breakpoint, but it doesn't stop the execution, okay. And allows you to log anything. For example, this is a test message, and anything that you place inside the brackets, it will be evaluated. So for example, we are going to see the sender. Okay, just press enter here, and here we have the log point. Okay, so if we execute this application, we are going to debug and run. Remember, this is the clicking for the label called LB first, which is here. We click here, okay, and we go back to Visual Studio Code. We check the debug console. Okay, this is our message, okay, and this is the variable that we wanted to see. Okay, as you can see, it's very nice and allows you to don't have to place console logs and all that stuff. So your code is clean, but you are getting the information you are looking for. Okay, thank you.